Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Dave, I have a question.
That sounds dangerous.
Why?
Your questions always make me think.
Good.
Okay, what's the question?
What is your biggest dream?
Wow, that's a big question.
I know.
Can I say becoming rich?
That's everyone's first answer.
Because it's a good answer.
What would you do with all that money?
Travel, eat amazing food, sleep without an alarm clock.
The last one sounds very important to you.
It really is.
Seriously, though, what's your biggest dream?
Honestly,
Yes.
I want to travel the world.
Really?
Yes. I want to see different countries, meet different people, try different food.
That's a great dream.
What about you?
Mine is different.
How different?
I want a happy life.
That's it?
That's a big dream.
Actually, you're right.
A happy family, good friends, good health. That's enough for me.
Wow. That's a much better answer than mine.
No, both dreams are good.
Do you think dreams change as we get older?
Definitely.
Really?
When I was a child, I wanted to be famous.
No way.
Yes,
What kind of famous?
I had no idea. I just wanted to be famous.
That's funny.
What about you?
I wanted to be a superhero.
Seriously?
Absolutely.
What was your superpower?
Flying.
Only flying?
Flying is amazing.
Fair point.
Imagine never sitting in traffic.
That's actually smart.
Thank you.
When did you stop wanting to be a superhero?
Yesterday.
Of course.
Dreams change, but some dreams stay with us.
That's true.
Do you still have the same dream from when you were younger?
Not exactly.
What changed?
Life, experience, growing up.
That makes sense.
When we're young, we dream about exciting things.
And when we're older,
We dream about meaningful things.
that's a beautiful answer.
Thank you.
You know what?
What?
Maybe dreams don't have to be huge.
I agree.
Sometimes a simple dream is enough.
Exactly.
A happy life, good friends, good family,
Those are wonderful dreams.
and maybe a little extra money.
There it is.
I had to say it.
I was waiting for it.
You know me too well.
Unfortunately, yes. Do you remember your funniest dream as a child?
Oh, yes.
Really?
It's embarrassing.
Perfect. Tell me.
I wanted to become a famous movie star.
No way.
Yes.
What happened?
I practiced interviews in front of a mirror
Seriously?
every day.
What kind of interviews?
I'd say things like, "I'd like to thank all my fans."
That's amazing.
The problem was,
What?
I had no fans.
That's a small problem.
A very small problem.
What did your family think?
They laughed. A lot.
I would too.
Thank you for your support.
You're welcome.
What about you?
I wanted to be a singer.
Really?
Yes.
Can you sing?
Not very well.
That seems important.
I know.
When did you discover this?
At a school performance.
Oh, no.
Exactly. Oh no.
What happened?
I forgot the words.
No way.
Yes.
In front of everyone?
In front of everyone.
That's painful.
Very painful.
What did you do?
I just smiled.
That's your solution for everything.
It works sometimes.
Not for singing.
Fair point.
Did you give up your dream after that?
Pretty quickly.
I understand.
Have you ever worked hard for a dream?
Definitely.
Really?
When I was younger, I wanted to learn a new language.
That's a good dream.
At first, I was very excited.
And then?
I realized learning takes time.
That's true.
A lot of time.
Did you quit?
No.
Good.
I learned something important.
What?
Dreams are fun, but they also require work.
That's a great lesson.
I wish someone had told me that when I was 10.
Would you have listened?
Probably not.
Exactly.
What about you? What's the hardest thing you've done for a dream?
Being patient.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Because dreams take time.
That's true.
Sometimes people expect success immediately.
I used to think that.
Most people do.
Then reality arrives.
Exactly.
Do you think some dreams are too big?
No.
Really?
I think some dreams take longer.
I like that answer.
What about you?
I agree.
Wow, that was fast.
Don't get used to it.
Good advice.
You know what's funny?
What?
Sometimes we achieve a dream,
And?
then we create a new one.
That's true.
Humans are never satisfied.
Speak for yourself.
You're right. I definitely wasn't talking about me.
Of course not.
Definitely not.
You're impossible.
Thank you. I try my best.
You know what?
What?
This topic reminds me of my family.
Really?
Yes, my parents always encouraged me to dream big,
That's wonderful.
even when my ideas were a little crazy.
Only a little?
Okay, very crazy.
Like what?
At one point, I wanted to open a bakery.
That's not crazy.
Then a year later, I wanted to become a photographer.
Still not crazy.
Then I wanted to travel the world.
Now we're talking.
My dreams changed every year.
That's normal.
Did your family encourage your dreams?
Most of the time.
Most of the time?
Well, not the superhero dream.
Why not?
Apparently flying isn't a real career.
That's disappointing.
Very disappointing.
What did your parents want you to become?
Something responsible.
Like what?
A doctor. A teacher. An engineer.
And what did you want?
To play video games and eat snacks.
That's not a career.
I know that now.
Good.
I learned eventually.
Do you remember your biggest dream as a teenager?
Absolutely.
What was it?
To buy my own car.
Really?
Yes. I thought that would solve all my problems.
Did it?
Not even a little.
That's funny.
What about you?
I wanted independence.
That's a big dream.
I wanted to make my own decisions.
I understand that.
As a teenager, freedom felt very important.
I think most teenagers feel that way.
Probably.
Do you think dreams tell us something about ourselves?
Definitely.
How?
Dreams show what we value.
That's interesting.
Some people dream about success.
Some dream about money,
Some dream about helping others.
and some dream about sleeping until noon.
I knew you were going to say that.
I couldn't resist.
Do you think money can buy happiness?
That's a difficult question.
I know.
I think money can make life easier,
I agree.
but I don't think it's enough by itself.
That's exactly how I feel.
You know what my dream is now?
What?
A balanced life.
Really?
Yes, good health, good friends, meaningful work, time for family.
Wow, that's a very mature answer.
Don't sound so surprised.
I'm a little surprised.
Fair enough.
My dream is similar.
Really?
Yes, when I was younger, I dreamed about achievements.
And now?
Now I dream about happiness.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
You know what's interesting?
What?
Our dreams changed,
They did.
but somehow they became simpler.
And maybe more meaningful.
I think so too.
Maybe that's part of growing up.
Maybe it is.
Wow, we're getting philosophical.
Quick, tell a joke,
Why?
before everyone thinks we're too serious.
Good idea.
That's what friends are for.
Keeping conversations balanced?
No, making fun of each other.
That's much more accurate.
Exactly.
You know, this conversation made me think.
Uh-oh. That's usually dangerous.
Not this time.
Good. What were you thinking about?
How much our dreams have changed over the years.
That's true.
When we were children, we wanted exciting things.
Like becoming superheroes.
Exactly.
I still think that's a great dream.
Of course you do.
Thank you for understanding.
You're welcome.
What do you think is the most important dream a person can have?
Honestly,
Yes,
a dream that makes them happy.
I like that answer.
Because everyone is different.
That's true.
My dream might not be your dream.
And your dream might sound boring to someone else.
Exactly.
But if it makes you happy, that's what matters.
I completely agree.
Do you think everyone should have a dream?
Definitely.
Why?
Because dreams give us direction.
That's a good point.
Even small dreams are important.
Really?
Of course.
Like what?
Learning a new skill. Traveling somewhere new. Helping your family.
Those are great examples.
Not every dream has to be huge.
I think people forget that sometimes.
I agree.
Social media makes everyone think they need a giant dream.
That's true.
Become famous, become rich, become perfect.
But real life isn't like that.
Exactly.
Sometimes the best dreams are simple.
Like having a happy home,
Or spending more time with family.
or finding work you enjoy.
That's a wonderful dream.
You know what's funny?
What?
When I was younger, I thought success would make me happy.
And now?
Now, I think happiness is success.
Wow, that's actually really good.
Thank you. I'm surprised too.
Sometimes you say smart things.
Sometimes,
Let's not get carried away.
fair enough.
If you could make one dream come true tomorrow, what would it be?
Just one?
Just one.
I'd want the people I care about to be healthy and happy.
That's beautiful. What about you? The same.
Really?
Yes. At the end of the day, that's what matters most.
I couldn't agree more.
It's funny.
What is?
We started this conversation talking about dreams.
And now we're talking about people.
Maybe that's because the most important dreams involve people we love.
I think you're right.
You know what?
What?
I hope everyone listening achieves their dreams.
Me too.
Big dreams, small dreams, all of them.
And remember,
Dreams don't happen overnight.
they take time.
They take patience,
And sometimes they take hard work.
but they're worth it.
Absolutely.
Well, this was a really nice conversation.
It really was.
And now I'm curious.
About what?
What's the biggest dream of our listeners?
That's a great question.
Tell us in the comments.
We'd love to hear your answer.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.